Hi guys, welcome back to the home in Homestead. So today I'm going to go over some options for vertical planters. I was recently looking into the GreenStalk vertical planter, the 5-tier one, and I wanted the roller base as well. And combining those products was well over $200, and I thought that was a bit much for what I had in mind. So watch the video today and you can see the options that I picked out, and you may be able to find, as I did, a 5-tier vertical planter with a roller base for about a quarter of the cost of the GreenStalk. And I was able to actually find a bundle package, so I was able to have 2 planters, one kind of a tan stone color and another a terracotta color, and I plan to give the terracotta set as a gift. These are a great option for any friends or family that enjoy outdoors and planting. Maybe they're downsizing or live in an apartment or have a small patio where they have plants. This has a lot of room for plants, but only occupies a small space. So I'll show you these products here. Okay, so here's how the set comes, all condensed and stacked like this in the packaging. Here's the base pan where the water ultimately collects. And then all 5 of these tiers have a little graded plate that fits in the bottom, so the water kind of drains through and then goes down to the next level. It does that with these holes here on the bottom of each tier. So in theory you can water the top tier and all the water would eventually trickle down all 5 of the levels and eventually settle to the bottom. And then they sit inside of one another. Like so. I like the idea of this product because you can plant a number of different plants. You can do flowers and herbs, and they can hang down. It could be real pretty on a patio or deck. You could separate it out if you just want a couple tiers on a little side table. But I thought that this would be nice. We plan to give one as a gift, and these are a nice idea for people to maybe get some greenery on their patio or plant some herbs or small vegetables. I like this particular brand as well because there's a little texture to the side of the pot, and I just like the look of this a little bit better even than the GreenStalk that has more of a tubular look, and I think this is a little prettier. Okay, so here this one is all assembled with the roller base to the right there. Here's the roller base that I purchased. It's a nice sturdy metal, and it has casters, which has a locking mechanism on one of the rollers. So what I plan to do is put the vertical garden onto this base here, and then I can easily move it. If you're worried about it tipping, you can lock it down and put a more secure flat board or plate on here. Alright, so let me just move this aside and show you how I assembled this. So I put the black plate in each one of these levels, and I filled each one separately, and then I built it up. It's quite easy to do, and I'm looking forward to filling these up with some little flowers or some little herb plants and have it on our deck later this spring and summer. I like you can separate this out too. You could just maybe bring one section and bring it in the house and tidy it up, or harvest some of the herbs, or you could just do it in place as well. I like the flexibility of this. If you want to switch it around, let some other plants get a little more sun, you can do that. You're not locked into where the plants have to be in the level of the tier. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today and it was informative for you. I will link the products that I purchased in the description box below. You can check them out yourself and see if this would be a good option for you to consider for a vertical planter. And if, like me, you felt that the GreenStalk was maybe a little bit out of your price range for what you wanted to do this year. Hope you're having a wonderful day. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.